Okay, now add what integer, so add the values. So 8 is one more time. Okay, list is an object. By the object add method is suffixed with the brackets. One more value I have passed, that is take any 9 7. Okay, you terminate this one, and then one more value, that is what integer value list dot add. Okay, now you pass somewhat value, you close this, now terminate with the semicolon. So three values I have passed with the add method. I told you that add method is a method of your ArrayList class imported from utility package. That add method will be accessed by only the object. Here object is the list. You can say, you can change xyz. Okay, list. Okay, I have simply kept my name, keep your name, keep as a object, no issue. So by that object name, this add method of this array list will be called. Okay, here suppose three integer values stored. This is what, this is called a wrapper class. This is called what? Wrapper class. So here integer, you comment here integer, it is a wrapper class. Try to understand what is wrapper class, what is the use of wrapper class here. What is the use of wrapper class? Wrapper class will help us to use the primitive data type to create the object. So I want to comment here, wrapper class help us to use the primitive data type as an object, okay. So means what happened, in programming in Java, what happened, only the string, out of all the primitive data type, only the string will be used as an object, string. Rest of the data, integer, float, character, boolean, they can't be used to create the object. That primitive data, they can't be used to create the object. So if you want to use the primitive data type as an object, so wrapper class, we will take the help of wrapper class. These are wrapper class. What are the wrapper classes? For small int, it is integer data. For wrapper class is equal to this is, okay. For char is a data type. Wrapper class is equal to capital char, full char, you need to write full character. For bool, what is the wrapper class for boolean? Okay, for string, normally string is already non-primitive data type, it has the objects, okay, no need. And somewhat integer, float. Suppose float is a normal data type, primitive data type, it's wrapper class, this wrapper class. So now what happened here, that's why I have used this wrapper class. So then once this int data, suppose see int x is equal to 5, int x is equal to 6, okay. Now int, you have declared x as a variable, it holds integer data type, and it is okay, but it has no any methods, because this x is a variable, it holds integer data, it has no any methods. But here see, if I create a string type of data, that is equal to name is equal to string type of data, always stored in double quotation in Java, Vasu. So now here what happened, now this is what, one string type of data, string name is a variable, it holds string. Now this string is an object, you can simply say that string is an object here. String means that name variable holds a what, that string holds an object, okay. Why? Because So once it is the object, this Vasu is an object. Okay, so string, it holds the object, so it has surely it has methods. So how the methods, you can simply say that, see, I can use simply method that system dot out dot println, system dot out dot println. Now here you simply pass that name, okay, name dot operator. If you put the dot operator, so you will get all that methods. These methods will be, we can use these methods over this name, okay, variable which holds this object was name dot, okay, name dot what, if I want to use this uppercase, if I use this method, now what happened, now try to understand that, one more brace, and now what happened, this name variable holds this object, so it has, once object is there, methods, that methods will be accessed by, this is actually, it's we are stating that it is a variable, but it is holding a, it is holding what, a string type of data. Now it is an object, so we can simply say that it is an object. So name dot, otherwise the reference variable, so that reference variable, that will be by that reference variable dot operator, we can use that object methods. So what happened here, if you compile this code, it will, see, your Vasu is converted, you pass the value small case letters by this method. What method? This uppercase method of this object, okay, so converted Vasu string small case into uppercase. So but this int x is equal to 6, it has no any methods. Same, if I declare a, that is what, integer, it is a wrapper class. Now x1, take x1 is a variable which holds a data that is equal to what, 8, okay. Now what happened, these both are different. It is integer value, this is integer value, okay, it holds integer data type, it has no any methods. But here integer, it is wrapper class, I have used for the integer. Now it has methods. This wrapper class has the wrapper class, once I have used wrapper class for the integer data type. So now this x1 variable holds this data, so now you can call it as an object, okay. By this object, I will use the method. See, now you use simple system dot println. So now here you simply pass that x1 dot operator. As you pass the dot operator x1, okay, you will get what, as you pass the dot operator, so you will get this, all these methods. What method here I will use to get the value of this 8 to int value, you use this int value method. So by this method, if you method always suffixed with this, so now one more brace, one more bracket after the termination. So now you will get the value of this by this int value method. So you run this, you are getting 8. This is the value which is stored in this wrapper class, integer wrapper class. So now what I did here, I have used the wrapper class for integer data type to create the object. This is x1 is considered as a object. By that object, that method, by that method I have tried to access this value. Understood that? So that is the use of wrapper classes. Wrapper classes provide a way, help us to use primitive data type as an object. So to create an object, okay, type to create an object.